All right, so you're finding you're getting too skinny on keto. What are you going to do? Now, you could start eating a bunch of carbs and gain weight that way, but that comes with a package. It comes with a lot of problems. And just realize when I say these carbs, so sometimes people think that, let's say they do organic bread, that might be okay. Well, it doesn't matter if it's organic or regular bread. Bread is a grain, okay? So when I talk about avoiding grains, I'm talking about avoiding even high quality organic grains, okay? So no more bread, pasta, cereal, crackers, biscuits, and rice is also a grain, so you want to avoid that as well. And I would also avoid fruit. Maybe you can do some berries, raspberry and blackberry. But the point is that I don't recommend going the carb route. I recommend that you start doing weight training, low reps, higher weight. That's going to help you with the muscle mass. But as far as food, we need to increase more fat. So one thing is that if you drink coffee, you can add the MCT oil and butter and make your Bulletproof Coffee. I'll put a link down below of how to do that. And then let's say, because I don't want you to drink a lot of coffee through the day, you can make something like Teeccino. And I'll put a link down below for that as well, which is a naturally decaffeinated drink that then you can also put the MCT oil and the butter in there and have maybe several drinks through the day. That would actually really slow down your weight loss. But because it's fat, your body will then go after this and turn this into ketones. So you'll be in ketosis. So that'll be good, but you just won't lose any weight. Another really important thing would be to get some of these recipes to make the keto bombs. They're not that hard to make. I'll put some links down below, but get the ingredients. They basically are fat cookies. And if you start adding these, this way you will stop your ability to lose weight like that if you have too many of them. So for those of you that are eating too many and want to lose weight, avoid them. But for those people that want to prevent getting too thin, this is the way to go. Keep them in your freezer, and at the end of each meal, have several, okay, until you're pretty full. And I promise you won't lose any more weight. Okay, nuts are good, nut butters are good, almond butter is great, healthy peanut butter is good. You can use that with celery. So we want to go up with the fat. We want to keep our carbs a little bit higher, but not above 50 grams, okay? So you could probably add more berries. You can probably add carrots, like those type of carbohydrates. The other thing is keep your protein not above 8 ounces per meal, okay? So I'd rather have you go up with the fat and keep your protein around 8 ounces, maybe 7 ounces, that amount. And try to consume as much salad and vegetable as you can, because we're trying to keep you healthy as well, to provide all the nutrients and the vitamins and minerals. And lastly, I'm going to recommend you do 2 meals a day, and actually maybe squeeze in the Bulletproof Coffee right around those 2 meals, and maybe one in the early morning. All right, thanks for watching. Hey, if you're interested in finding out the underlying cause of your body issues, click the link below and take the evaluation quiz.